In this video, we will be looking at the development of a trail mix product. Trail mixes are very popular amongst campers and hikers, as well as for healthy snacks. They are generally made from a mixture of dried fruits, nuts, and seeds. Some trail mixes may be lightly salted or even flavored. The important reason for considering them here is that they contain dried ingredients. They are an appealing, convenient, lightweight source of energy which does not spoil in ambient conditions. Trail mixes can be eaten by hand without creating a mess, which makes them ideal for consuming at your desk at work. The trail mix shown here cost $1.83 Canadian per 100 grams, which is approximately equal to $4.03 in East Caribbean currency per 100 grams. This Garden of Eden trail mix was purchased at a local bulk food store in Canada. Other trail mixes were more expensive and depended upon the ingredients that were in them. Consumers are willing to pay these prices because they perceive the product to be high quality, value added, and very convenient. The products also taste great and fill a need in the consumer's lifestyles. Here's 100 grams of the trail mix. We will now take a look at what the ingredient amounts were within this Garden of Eden trail mix. In 100 grams, there were 22.9 grams of almonds, 19.3 grams of raisins, 19.1 grams of dried cranberries, 9.1 grams of dried diced papaya, 8.3 grams of dried diced pineapple, 8.3 grams of dried seeds, mostly sunflower and pumpkin seeds, 5.4 grams of cashews, 4.6 grams of peanuts, and 3 grams of hazelnuts. Here we see the basic formulation for only one sample. Down the right-hand side is the percentage by weight, and on the left-hand side of the table is a list of the ingredients: almonds, raisins, dried cranberries, dried diced papaya, dried diced pineapple, dried seeds, cashews, peanuts, and hazelnuts. So this will give you an idea of the type of formulation that you could make up with your own ingredients and in the same relative proportions if you wished. Another trail mix was called Hungry Hungry Hippie. It was $1.54 Canadian per 100 grams, or approximately $3.39 per 100 grams in East Caribbean currency. This too was purchased at a local bulk food store in Canada. 2 samples of 100 grams each were tested, and the average weight of each ingredient is printed here on each slide. So the average weight for raisins was 44.4 grams. Almonds, the average weight was 17.2 grams. 13.8 grams of pumpkin seeds, 9.8 grams of sunflower seeds, 6.5 grams of hazelnuts, 5.7 grams of peanuts, 2.6 grams of cashews. And here again we see the basic formulation with the results from each of the 2 tests and an average giving the percentage by weight of the raisins, almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, peanuts, and cashews. The composition of the trail mix will vary with each handful, which is what makes it rather appealing. You may want to produce your own trail mixes, or you may want to make the ingredients that go into them and sell them to retailers who blend their own trail mixes. So thank you very much.